With regard to the Delhi High Court matter, my lord, the Union of India has already passed such an order directing all the media houses to stop. The first,
Yes, yes. We will observe everything. The petitioner is the father of one Rao, a police officer. He is at the doors of this court seeking a direction to the respondent media houses from publishing, telecasting any defamatory, unverified information. The petitioner had knocked at the doors of the civil court. The civil court refuses to grant an ex parte injunction against the media houses, which comes to be challenged before this court. The allegation is the same in the case at hand, that despite the order of injunction, the print and electronic media not stop telecasting, publishing, or letting out any information in the television channels or the print, as the case would be. The Union of India should be directed to communicate to all the media houses that the orders of the court should be adhered to, and the media, print and electronic media should encourage restraint. Notice to all private other respondents.
internal page 2.
Same order will pass.
Lord, there's the
What is? Good.
Union of India has already passed such a direction, my lord, in other cases, my lord. Madam,
So this is old.
with regard to the Delhi High Court matter, my lord, the Union of India has already passed such an order directing all the media houses to stop. The first is first.
Yes, yes. We will observe everything.
Please,
That is all necessary. Dispose it or keep it.
That is all necessary, but in my petition, at least I have prayed for a certain guidelines to be framed, because the petition is matched with the lady. Ultimately, those is subject matter of, that case is pertaining subject matter of investigation. Every day being named names, madam. When at least women are involved, certain guidelines have been passed to protect her dignity. So that is the only thing I have prayed for.
ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
stay the guidelines, my lord,
to keep it pending.
We'll keep it pending. That's fine.
Orders.
We'll pass these orders and keep it pending. Yes, sir.
Kudi.
The heard the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner and the learned DSGI. The petitioner in the case at hand is the mother of one who is said to be investigated into certain allegations by the second respondent Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. She is before the court seeking a direction to lay down certain guidelines with regard to the publication by the electronic media in particular about the accused when the accused is a lady. The learned counsel, taking this court through the documents appended to the petition, would seek to demonstrate that the civil court, tell the order,
For 88,
80,
page number 90,
98,
90.
that the civil court has ordered, has passed restraint orders against the media houses, restraining them from publication of any material that would touch upon the dignity of the petitioner, as it would be in violation, as any publication of the kind would be in violation of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Despite the said order, it is the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the media houses are not encouraging restraint or not complying with the directions of the civil court. In such circumstances, the learned counsel would submit that the coordinate benches of the court have directed the Union of India to communicate that such to the media houses that they should not violate the orders passed by the concerned court in identical circumstances. The learned DSGI places an order on record communication.
He's placed it.
Learned new ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. Learned counsel places a communication of the government of India to all the media houses, be it print or electronic, to encourage restraint when courts pass certain orders. The communication reads as follows. This was in furtherance of a direction issued by the High Court of Delhi to High Court of Delhi directing the Union of India to direct the media houses by appropriate orders from publishing, printing, decimating confidential information contained in the charge sheet therein. However, the issue in the list is with regard to investigation. Information about the investigation is not decimated by the media house, but the learned counsel submits that the character of the accused in the DRI case is being painted in all colors. The learned counsel would therefore seek identical orders to be passed as is passed by the coordinate benches of this court. The coordinate bench in writ petition concerning the accused therein has passed the following order. Quote all the orders, madam. Here. The respondent here, the respondents are all the media houses in the case at hand. In the light of the order of the civil court and also the direction of the government of India to all media houses, print and electronic, they are required to follow and comply with the directions, required to follow and comply with the directions of the courts that have granted injunctory orders against the print and media houses. The ಮತ್ತೇನ್ communication ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ so and so. The they're all respondents ಅಲ್ಲ notice ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? Emergent notice to the respondents, to all the respondents.
3 to 30.
Huh?
3 to 30.
3 to 32, 34, 3 to 34, returnable by 8th of April. As a separate order, ಬೇಕಾ sir?
Facts may differ. Slight.
Facts would differ. I'll dictate it.
The father of the.
This father of Ranya Rao, right?
Ranya.
Yes.
And the order is that of this honorable court.
Order of,
Civil court.
as the civil court, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
That is only to.
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ?
He is a police officer. They are linked him to the investigation.
You have not gone before the civil court.
No, I had gone to civil court as well.
Huh.
Civil court did not grant an ex parte injunction.
Hmm.
So we filed a miscellaneous first appeal and this honorable court granted it.
Where is that order?
The order is at page.
Heard the learned senior counsel hearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is the father of one Rao, a police officer of the state of Karnataka, in the state of Karnataka. He is at the doors of this court seeking a direction to the respondent media houses from publishing, telecasting any defamatory, unverified information. The petitioner had knocked at the doors of the civil court. The civil court refuses to grant an ex parte injunction against the media houses, which comes to be challenged before this court in MFA, page
10th March.
The coordinate bench grants an order of injunction which reads as follows. The allegation is the same in the case at hand, that despite the order of injunction, the print and electronic media have not stopped publishing, not stopped telecasting, publishing, or any or letting out any information in the television channels or the print, as the case would be. The ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಸಾಕು, same order, as the case would be. ಆಮೇಲೆ the learned senior counsel would submit that the Union of India should be directed to communicate to all the media houses that the orders of the court should would be adhered to, and the media, print and electronic media should encourage restraint.
Only one change. In this case, my lord, unlike mother, his name also is being drawn. Lordships dictated that only the daughter's name.
I'll correct.
Okay.
Petitioner's name ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Keep your right.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ, madam, notice to all private other respondents.